Hello children, in this video we are going to do exercise 6.4 sums. As we discussed in the previous video, now we are going to find out whether it is possible to form a triangle with the given measurements or not. We are going to use inequality property, means the property based on sides. The sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the third side in a triangle. Otherwise, the difference of lengths of any two sides is smaller than the third side. Any one we can apply. Now I want to apply the sum. Okay. So here 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here this third side is 5. So 5 equal to 5. That is third side. It is the sum is equal to third side we got. Now we will check the other pairs also. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 is greater than 2. Next one, 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 is greater than 3. Okay. So here for two pairs we got the sum greater than the third side, whereas for one pair we got the sum equal to the third side. So even here in this case we are not going to construct the triangle. That means it is not possible to construct the triangle with the given measurements. So here you have to write not possible to construct the triangle with these measurements. Okay, why it is not possible? For one pair of sides the sum is equal to the third side. So it should be greater than the third side, then only it is possible. But here we got equal to, that's why it is not possible. Now second question. Here O is a point in the interior of triangle PQR is given. Now three questions are given based on that. Is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? Is OQ plus OR greater than QR? OR plus OP is it greater than RP? Okay, three questions are given. And here O is any point in the interior of PQR. So to find out these solutions, what we do is we join O with all the three vertices of the triangle. Okay, so if you join OP, O and Q, if you join, here you will get like this OQ, then O and R also we are joining. Okay, so now here three triangles we got. We got three triangles. So 1, 2, 3 triangles we got. Okay. Now in the first triangle, triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, from triangle OPQ, if you apply inequality property, means the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. If you see that, then OP plus OQ, I want to take these two sides. Okay. So OP plus OQ, it is greater than the third side, that is PQ. Okay. So how it is? Applying inequality property. Now coming to OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR, is it greater than QR? So now we have to consider the second triangle, that is from triangle OQR. Here I want to take OQ and OR as a pair of sides and QR as a third side. So what we can write? OQ plus OR, it is greater than QR. Okay, applying inequality property. The sum of these two sides is greater than the third side, that is QR. Next coming to OR plus OP, means which triangle we have to take? We can take the third triangle, that is from triangle OPR. Here also the same property we are going to apply. So here I want to take the pair of sides as OP and OR. So OR plus OP or OP plus OR both are same. So OR plus OP, it is greater than the third side in this triangle is PR or RP. Anything you can write. RP and PR both are same. So here all these three are yes. Actually the answer is yes. The question is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? Yes, you can write. But how it is yes also you have to explain. That's why we are joining first O with the three vertices PQR, and then we have taken the three triangles, then we applied inequality property. All these we proved using inequality property. Okay. using inequality property of triangle. Understood, children? Now third sum. Here in the figure, AM is the median of triangle ABC given. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM is the question. AM is the median. By seeing this also we can say M is the midpoint of BC. That's why AM is the median. Okay. Now to prove this, we have to consider the two triangles in the triangle ABC. By drawing AM, here two triangles are formed. So let us consider these two triangles and let us apply inequality property of triangle. So then we can prove this one. Okay. Now AB plus BC plus CA, if you observe in LHS, we have the three sides of the triangle. So by taking also, we have to take in that way. Left hand side, the sides of the triangle should be there. So now let us take triangle. From triangle ABM, applying inequality property, AB plus BM is the sum of two sides. Here AB and BM I want to take as the two sides. It is greater than, the third side will be in the triangle AM. Okay, so we got this one. Now from triangle ACM, here also the sum of two sides, AC plus CM I want to take as the two sides. AC plus CM is greater than, here the third side is AM. So let us consider this equation as 2. So by adding 1 and 2, by adding 1 and 2 inequalities, AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM. Children, once you observe here, LHS plus LHS greater than RHS plus RHS. One example I will give how it is possible, how can we write like that. So here if you take the simple example like 4 greater than 1. Okay. Next 6 greater than 2. Just two simple examples I have taken. So by adding LHS and LHS, 4 plus 6, next here RHS and RHS, 1 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 6 10, 1 plus 2 3. So is it greater than or not? So can we add like that? Two inequalities we can add like that. LHS plus LHS will be greater than RHS plus RHS only. Okay. So just in the same way we are doing even here. So LHS plus LHS greater than RHS plus RHS. Now if you observe here, BM plus CM, BM plus CM, what you will get? That is BC. BM plus CM is BC. So in place of BM plus CM, we can write BC plus AC or CA. Actually in the question it is given CA. So AC can be written as CA also. So we are writing like that, AM plus AM. AM plus AM is 2AM. So in this way we can prove. Okay. Next question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Then is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Here if you observe, AB, BC, CD, DA are the sides of the quadrilateral. AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay. To do this, we are going to draw diagonals AC and BD, but not both at a time. I am going to draw only AC. Then we get two triangles. What are those two triangles? Triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Okay. So now from triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. The sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, let us take this as 1. Now the second triangle is triangle ACD. What we can write? AD or DA, anything, plus CD is greater than AC. This let it be second inequality. Okay. So now I want to draw now BD diagonal. Okay. So now what are the two triangles we get? Triangle ABD and triangle BCD. Now from triangle ABD, what can we write? AB plus AD is greater than BD. That is third one. Now let us write the fourth one. From triangle BCD. From triangle BCD, what can we write? BC plus CD is greater than BD. This is the fourth inequality. Now to prove the given one, what we have to do is all the four inequalities we have to add. So by adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Just like in the previous sum also we have seen all the LHS if you add and all the RHS if you add, then also the greater than sign will hold. AB plus BC plus AD plus CD plus AB plus AD plus BC plus CD greater than all the RHS. AC plus AC plus BD plus BD. Now we simplify this. AB plus AB, 2AB plus BC plus BC, 2BC, CD plus CD, 2CD plus AD plus AD, 2AD greater than, here also AC plus AC. Okay, AC plus AC is 2AC plus BD plus BD, 2BD. So throughout the inequality 2 is common, so we can cancel. So if you cancel 2, what we will get? AB plus BC plus CD plus AD or DA, anything is same. DA is greater than AC plus BD. How it is? Throughout the inequality 2 is there for in each and every term. That's why 2 we can cancel. Then we get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. That is what it is given to prove. Next question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 of AC plus BD? So here also in LHS all the sides of the quadrilateral are there, and in RHS diagonals are there. AC and BD are the diagonals. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral only given in the question, but here I have drawn the two diagonals AC and BD at a time, and now O is the intersecting point of the two diagonals. Now 4 triangles we got total. 4 triangles. So in these 4 triangles now we are going to apply inequality property of triangle. So in the first triangle, that is triangle AOB. From triangle AOB, what can we write? AO plus OB is greater than AB. AO and OB I have taken as the two sides, then AB is the third side. Okay, so let it be 1. Now next, from triangle BOC, from this what can we write? OB plus OC is greater than BC. Let it be second one. Now from triangle COD, here also I want to take the third side as a side of the quadrilateral. Okay, so in all uniformly if you take, then it will be easy to prove any such type of theorems or proof for anything, it will be easy. Okay, so we are going in a particular manner. Actually many ways may be there to prove all these type of sums, but this is one of the ways. Okay, so now in triangle COD, OC plus OD is greater than CD. Let it be 3. Now from triangle AOD. Here also OA plus OD, OA plus OD greater than the third side is the side of the quadrilateral. Okay, that is AD. Let it be 4. Now adding all the 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What we will get? AO, all LHS. AO plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OC plus OD plus OA plus OD is greater than all the RHS. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay. Now if you see AO plus AO, OA and AO both are same. So like that 2 AO we got, OB plus OB, 2 OB, OC plus OC, 2 OC, OD plus OD, 2 OD. So can we write like this? 2 of AO plus OB plus OC plus OD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DAR/AD, both are same. Now if you observe AO plus OC, what is that? AO plus OC is AC. So 2 of AC plus OB plus OD, that is BD. So 2 of AC plus BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA we got. From this, can we interchange LHS and RHS? Then you have to change the sign also. Greater than sign will become less than. How it is? Once I will give simple example. If 10 is greater than 3, can we write in reverse using less than sign? 3 is less than 10. Can we write like this or not? So in the same way, here also, since it is given in the question to prove this, we are exchanging. Otherwise it is also correct. But in the question it is given to prove this. That's why just we are interchanging LHS and RHS and we are changing the greater than sign as less than. Okay, just like this example. So now we can write AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 of AC plus BD. So this is what it is given to prove. Hope you understood all these sums. Thank you.